Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Simple's credit score monitoring tools in 2025. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste much time on this topic, so let's just jump straight into it. Now the first step is going to be to log into our account. So go ahead to Simple's website and just log into your account using your email address and your password. And once you're logged into your account, you're just going to click on the credit score button that's in the top navigation bar. And once you click that button, you can view your credit score and credit report. So Simple's credit score monitoring tools allows you to see your credit score and credit report all in one place. And from there you can track your credit score over time and just stay on top of your credit health. So Simple's credit score monitoring tools allows you to track your credit scores over time and see how you're doing. And you can always just adjust your credit habits as needed to improve your credit score. And if you find that your credit score is not as high as you'd like, you can adjust your credit habits to reflect that. And also you can adjust your budget just to reflect that and help you achieve a better credit score. That's pretty much it on how to use Simple's credit score monitoring tools in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.